how to download Far Cry 5 on your Windows computer. So first, open your browser. You can use any browser you want. I'm using Chrome, and from here you need to search for Steam, right? And after searching for Steam, go for the first website, and this is Steam. You need to press this button top here and again install Steam. So you need to install Steam on your computer. This will be the setup of Steam. Just simply double click here, and now what you have to do is install Steam on your computer. Just press next, choose your language, next, choose your destination and press the install button. All right, so this is the first step. You need to install Steam on your computer. So once you do it, this is how Steam's look like. So you need to create a Steam account for the first time. It's pretty simple. It's creating like a Facebook or Instagram account. So just create a Steam account, okay, by double clicking here. And after that you will find an interface like this. So this is library. You need to go to store out here, and from the search here, search for Far Cry 5. So this is the game. Just tap here, and if you want to see the trailer, have a look here. And this is the different version of the game. This is the standard edition, gold edition. So if you want to play this, so press here and view my card, and from here you need to pay for this game. Continue to payment. Yeah, this is not free, I have never mentioned it as well. So you have to pay for this game, and after you completed your payment, go to your library from here, and you will find your game somewhere here, okay? And then there will be an install button like this, and then press it and you are good to go. You are good to go and you can enjoy your game, right? So that's how you download Far Cry 5 on your Windows computer. All right, this is it. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.